okay. Sorry, it sometimes decides it's just not gonna work, which is very irritating. Let's do this. Is that gonna work? Let's see. Why is it not working? Okay, sorry. Let me focus. Let's get things up and running. Huh. Why? Oh well. We got some things up and running, so that's good. That's good, right? Why do things not work when you want them to work? Let's try again. Yes. Work, please. Let's try one last time. Hey, Boom, how's it going? Kiko, hey Ashton, how you doing? No, I will be trading if the setup is there, right? Interesting. I wonder why. Sorry, I'm trying to see. Something's having an issue connecting to the server. Boom Banana, sadly still here on Earth. Damn, what happened? Hey, Southwest Carp Hunter, how are you doing? How's it going? Use 20 DMA in 5 minutes. Okay. Headbands? Yes. What up? Oh, thanks, Ashton. Hey, Texas. How you doing, by the way? How are you? How's it been going? Yeah, okay, now I can focus. Now I can focus for 5 minutes. Awesome, let's do this. Rachel, hi, how are you? How are you? Oh, I'm not sure about that, Oliver. Hi, by the way. TJ, good, I'm in the green. I had a win this morning, which is amazing. And then it just went sideways forever. I see if I did take this trade, it actually would have been a win, a stressful one, but it would have eventually been a win. It just would have taken nearly an hour to get that win. Yo, it just sat there and consolidated forever. Oh, nice, Southwest Carpenter. Nice. Yep, I did. I went, I saw my horses. fed them, made sure they were happy, and now I'm back ready for part 2 of trading today. We Gucci. We Gucci? Is that a thing? Young Fur Beats, hi, what's up? Ahmed, what do? I trade? Ashton, am I working today? No. Well, I mean, yes, theoretically. Why? And Ahmed, do I like Egypt? I mean, I've never been, but yeah. Thanks, Prop23. You're very sweet. Hey, Exploring Life. How are you? Only true trader. Only true trader. Can I just say, oh, I forgot to edit it. I'll sort it out on the vertical. I did something specifically for you. Just by the way. Only true trader, this is specifically for you. Guess what I did? Do you wanna take a guess? Like I said, specifically for you. There we go. You saw it before I could say anything. Hell yeah, I did it specifically for you. I went and I got affiliated with Funded Next just so that you can have any code. Exploring Live. Pin your comment. What did you say? Do I speak any other languages like Dutch? No, I can speak, not well, but I can speak Afrikaans. Again, not well. And I mean, that's close to Dutch. Yeah. Obviously, it's not Dutch, but it's close. You're Arabic. Do I speak? I do not speak Arabic. Ching, what up? And thanks for subscribing, Betty. Young for a beat. No, I'm not. I'm actually I'm from South Africa. Yeah, I'm South African through and through. Born and bred. Yeah, guys, if you wouldn't mind, well, if you're having fun already, I know the stream has only just begun. We got time, but it's only just begun. We have 6 minutes until New York goes live. That's what we are indeed waiting for. 6 minutes to go. But if you are having fun so far, yeah, feel free to like the stream and let's get the show on the road. Jimmy White, what up? Deadwolf, hi! How are you doing? Let me see if I can. Exploring Life, give me a second. And Banny, where are you? Damn, I don't think I have him. Exploring Life, wait. I can. Exploring Life, I can. Whee! Give me a second. Please pin your comment. Let's see. Pin. I pinned it. See, I did it. Bam. Oh, thanks, Jimmy White. I appreciate that. Ooh, Chima, it was good. We had a win. If you guys want to check it out. So, yeah, I had a nice win here. I see this trade would have been a win. It was just consolidating for literally an hour. Yeah, that would have been an hour-long trade. It consolidated. I thought it actually would have gone down more, so this one would have been a win, but I'm not upset I didn't take it because this is rubbish. That's just pure rubbish. And now we are getting ready for part 2. So yeah, we are in the green for now. I'm up $110, which I know isn't tons, but green is green. Thomas K, how are you? Oh, Young for Beats. Nice, nice, nice. Which one in particular are you trading? Mr. Rithon, it's 7 p.m. for you. Nice. And Brandon, let's go Bitcoin. Okay, I'm gonna be positive for you. Hey, Mark, what's up? Global, well, I mean, I don't know if it's such a thing anymore to sell Krugerrands, to be fair. Ultron, not hello. Okay. Bye. Opposite of, okay. Anyways. Dark Angel, how are you? Oh my goodness, sorry. Anyways. Hell yeah, Dark Angel, how was your weekend? Right, Young for Beats. That's exactly. Bob, hi. Good morning, Boo. I like that. Okay. Yeah, Chima, 110, which is not bad. Okay, 3 minutes to go. Before we begin, what do you guys think is gonna happen today? Do you think it's gonna crash out after it's been climbing? Do you think it's just gonna keep climbing? Oh no. Oh no, when it has movement before opening, then New York tends to be choppy. Well, that sucks. Okay, let's see what happens. Is Tesla to the... Really? Okay, Thomas, damn, look at you go. Okay. 100-point trade. Interesting. Exodus, hi, what's up? So Deadwolf, you think a climb and a crash? Probably. Private, never trust a hungry corgi. Is that a saying? And are you trying to say something? I'm confused. Oh, okay, cheers, Dark Angel, good luck. I hope they aren't bad. Young for Beats, not always. I've only kind of taken note of it. Someone mentioned it last week. And so I've been taking note of it since then. And it's only done this like twice since then. And when it did it, it was choppy. So let's see if it is. If it isn't, then we know it's sometimes. But the 2 times it did do it, where it kind of had momentum before opening, yeah, then the session itself tended to be a little bit more on the choppy side, which was obviously not ideal. Oh, we got 10 seconds to go before opening. Right, Chima? Yeah, don't worry. Listen, I won't do anything until opening, which is now. And even then, okie dokie. Let's see. If it chops. Maybe I was wrong. Let's see. Holy. Okie dokie. Well, this is an FU candle if I did ever see one. Hey Wesley, how's it going? You've always wondered how the trading story goes? I mean, to be fair, yeah, it's intense. Just look at the movement. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I know. Oh my gosh. Is it going to be choppy? Ew, flip. I mean, this is not starting great. I mean, it bounced off a VWAP on ES. I really thought that during the New York session, it might want to come down to the NWOG, new weekly opening gap. But I mean, there's still a possibility. There is definitely still a possibility, especially during New York. Let's check out the 15-minute. We have been bullish. We have been bullish. Curiosity is kind of getting the best of me here. Let's check out the 1 hour. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's just get rid of the noise for a minute. Oh, we have not closed above yet. Interesting. We've wicked above, but we have not closed above yet. On the 1 hour. Which means you're right, this is just going up, down, flip. Which means, is this going to be the down that happens now? Okay, cool. This could be the down that happens now. Rebel, what's up? Okay. Yeah, Jay, that's the ocean. I live by the coast. Anyways, moving on. I'm not sure, Rebel. Goshenberg, I feel like that's a lie. I feel like there's plenty. Just saying. Hey, Private, what's up? Hey, Raphael, how are you? Welcome, welcome. Ah, okay, I lied. Sorry. There was a bit of momentum and now we are just dropping. Solidly. We are now below VWAP. Oh, I forgot I turned that off. That was me just checking out the 15-minute. Some relative equal lows. I guess we can call them relative equal lows. I'm just marking out points of potential. Okay. Okay, little touch into VWAP. Are we gonna just go back up again? We're gonna keep going down? Sorry, so I do have a rule where I'm not allowed to trade at least the first 5 to 10 minutes of New York Open just for the volatility to calm down. Shima, okie dokie, is it a tasty dish? Hey Melvin, how's it going? Valid, Shima. Back, I mean, they are all over Instagram. All over. Night! Here you are. We're going down until ES hits opening price of new week. See, night, do you know what? I have even marked that out. Just saying. Check, 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 right there. But night, guess what? I watched the movie. Hell yeah, Raphael. Hell yeah. I need to... There we go. Little note there. Ooh, this is basically equal highs. Basically. Okay, let's see if it's just gonna keep going down or not. Needed to well. Okay, I just need confirmation, right? Young Fur Beats, what strategy do you use, by the way? Solly! Oh my gosh! Where have you been? Literally, we were talking about you and we were all concerned. We were literally going, is Solly okay? What's happened to Solly? Oh, thanks, Raphael. If you want to, it's in the description. If you enjoy it. Night it was. I actually really enjoyed it. It was so sweet and the art style was really beautiful. It was so cute. I did enjoy it. Chima, winter is coming. Why do you say that? Tube Treasure, look out for this level 25150. You think... Okay. Why? What about that level? I mean, there's a lot of people in this chat right now that are making quite decent money. I don't even think he's here right now. Boom Banana, Boom, are you still here? And I mean, he does day trading. Like I said, I'm still learning. I'm not going to pretend like I'm making money yet, but a lot of people, I mean, Thomas K is doing well. There's a few people who do day trading that are living off of it. Solly, right? Right, I cannot believe you missed it. Tube Treasure, there's a lot of orders right there. Tube Treasure, out of curiosity, what platform do you use? Oh, thanks, Raphael. I appreciate that. Also Trainline Breakouts. Ooh, thanks, Young Pro Beats. Thank you. And Night, A Silent Voice is another good movie. Have you watched... is it called Suzume? I think it is called Suzume. I was really grumpy about it, but it's fine. Night, that's valid. But I mean, to be fair, I know for a fact that there are some people that post every day, and post their wins every day. Ooh. Okay, Knight, what did you think about Suzume? Like, real opinion. Okay, wait, it's going down to that 150 level. Is it gonna break through or is it gonna respect it? Let's see. If it breaks through, then awesome. It means this could be... Wow, nope. I respected that properly. Aw, thanks, Ollie, of course. Oh, but the art style was so pretty and I really liked the cat. I think it was a bit rubbish, the ending, but it is what it is. It would have LP, but it then goes against the rules of wait at least... Does it? It would have. Did it? I am on the 1 minute. I was like, what's happening? No. It would have, but I need at least proper confirmation. Let's see. Would this have been a goodie? Oh my gosh, it would not have... It would have missed me by a tick. It would have missed me by a tick. Bob? You're here asking all the correct questions. Kiko just tapped the 5-minute order block. Oh, okay, cool. Night, take the same trade again. Really? I don't know. I think this might just keep going down. So it would have missed me literally by a point. That's a little bit frustrating. It is sitting heavy. I feel like I'm missing something on ES. What's happening on ES? Took a little bit of liquidity there, a little bit of bounce. It is hitting that order block. I can give this a try. Let's see. How big is this? Let's make it 3. I do not know if it's going to come this far down though, so let's see. Kiko, what up? You're 1 hour early? Oh, I need to, yeah. I need to get on the page, the same page with the daylight saving. Yeah, I'm assuming openings and things haven't changed yet. With the New York Open, like, are these times still the same? Have these now officially changed? There's so few traders left, so we become a classroom here. I mean, yeah, yes. And we are here to support one another. Ah, thank you, Solly. Thank you, thank you. I was about to say, I was like, wait. Ah, okay. Yes, that would have been a goodie. Oh well. Now we go from the next range. Ooh, or do we? Now that it's about to take out some... Took some liquidity, so it could spike a little bit higher. But the entry is really nice on VWAP. And there is more liquidity further down, especially on ES. If it comes back up, this could actually be quite a goodie. Okay, again, let's give this a go for 3 at least. Oh, it's just gonna run away. Okay. Hit for like 6 or 3k. Damn, Thomas. You guys are so cute. Okay. I stick with it no matter what. I leave it alone. I wouldn't hate... No, I mean, this isn't terrible. I got VWAP, I got a shelf, I got an order block. The only downside is it did just take a bit of liquidity, so this could potentially come and screw me first before it goes back down. Let's see, but I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna stick with it. It's... Yeah, I'm gonna stick with it. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's see if this was a mistake or not. Hey Veza, how's it going? Ooh, okay Thomas, okay. So you're technically done. Nice. So you're just gonna chill. So you're then done and dusted for the day, right? I hate that my stupid VWAP keeps moving around even though I've checked like 5 different times and each time it says, yeah, no, it's good. It's in the right spot. And I'm like, okay, I guess I will just have to trust you. It was further down earlier. I don't know what's happening with my VWAP. It's fine. Beza, you know what? I cannot complain. I am in this now. Let's see. 3. I think this is just climbing up. But let's see what happens. Tube. Oh, damn. Okay, Tube Treasure, you are done. Nice. I mean, that's not a bad thing though. Be in and out, done and dusted. Just don't let FOMO get the best of you. Oh, Solly, no. Oh my goodness. Well, you are now back. Have you been able to place a trade yet? Or not yet? You're waiting for a decent setup. I'm just, yeah, let's see what happens now. Little tap into view app. It looks like it wants to respect. Let me double check what's happening here. Let's see. Not yet. You're easing back into it. I mean, Solly, that's valid. That's valid. Vaza, yes I am. I'm in South Africa, so very much the southern hemisphere. Very, very much in the south. Ooh. That was looking promising, and now not so much. Let's see. Just don't look at it, right? Just don't look at it. Anyways, how was everyone's weekend? That then keeps me distracted. How was everyone's weekend? Did anyone do anything super cool, or was it just chilled? This is gonna take me out. This is gonna solidly take me out. Yeah, true. Thomas K, you got hammered. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Let's see. It looks like it's wanting to push up on ES. So I now sits and I waits. Thank you for the sub. I don't know what the other thing said, but it's fine. Do I have my stop at 25175? No, my stop is at 25180. That's where my stop's at. Ooh, nice. Always good to have a good bri. I'm assuming it then wasn't raining where you were, because it was just raining all over the place here, so yeah. Hey Tony, how's it going? Young Fur Beats chilled and hung out with friends. I mean, that's good. I feel like I could have slept more. I know it's a weird thing to say, but oh my gosh. It's just one of those where you're like, you know what, sleep sounds good. I could do with some sleep. Sleep is awesome. I'm waiting for it to close around the 50% area. So when it hits there, then I can go break even. I'm doing break even for the last time. This is 9 out of 10 trades. No, sorry, this is 10 out of 10. 9 was earlier. Right? Right. Yes, it was. Oof. I'm gonna go break even if it takes the liquidity on ES. Hey, Lita, how are you? Nice, Solly. Nice. That is flipping awesome. Okay, well, let's hit that 50%. So I'm gonna go break even. For the last time. Break even for the last time. No pressure. We're good. We got this. Hey, just cause WH, how you doing? You know what? That's valid. Rain can never stop. Rain can never stop a bri in South Africa. What silly talk am I saying? This is either reversal point or continuation lower. Yeah, well, it's break even now, so let's see. It's probably, you know, just my luck. It's probably gonna take me out for break even. There we go. And then go down. Let's see. Okay, so a break even. So 10 of 10, and that was a break even. Let's see if this would have been a win or not. Like I said, I'm not going to complain about break even. That got me up another $8. Okay, so break even there. It's gonna go, oh, let's see. Where is this gonna go? Break even. Is this just gonna be choppy? Did I jinx this when I said earlier that this is just gonna be a choppy day? Damn it. I hope not. Ooh, Lita, I'm glad you think I know what I'm doing. That makes me feel good because I'm actually new. I'm fairly new. I've been trading since April. So I feel that's, oh, this is 10 of 10, by the way, guys. So 10 of 10, done and dusted. Okay. Let's see, it's made a double bottom on ES, by the way. Just if anyone is trading ES. Is Apple Butter here, by the way? Tony, you notice when it's choppy, we kind of get very cautious. I mean, yeah, because when it's choppy, you can get stopped out very quickly for no good reason. Because those wicks are little bastards. Those wicks can get you out. Solly, it is. So now I'm starting 10 again. But this time, can you see I'm a little bit nervous? So now we start fresh. We go from 10, well, from 1 again. Gonna do 10 trades again. And this time, no break evens because I had, let's see if this is, again, I'll double check. I think I had 5. So this is 6. Let's see if this would have been a win. I had 5 break evens. 3 of them would have been wins and 2 would have been losses if I had not gone break even. So I mean, yeah, I feel like that speaks for itself. I would have been in profits if I had not gone break even. And let's see if number 6 is here to prove my point, or Knight's point rather, not my point, Knight's point. It's right by the liquidity on ES. Let's see if this would have been a win or a loss. Peace Ninja, you're really, really good at trading and losing money. I mean, that's valid. That's valid. Sometimes that is exactly how I feel. I'm like, I'm great at guessing this. Well, guessing is the wrong word, but I'm great at reading this completely wrong. Reading is the better word. Oh, thanks, Raphael. Have I ever tried a different, hey, Apple Butter, there you are, sorry. Have I ever tried a different market? Tony, I have not, purely just for the fact that I said I wanted to get good at one market before I start trying to change. If that makes sense, I hope that makes sense. I want to rather be good at one before I start changing and maybe messing with some things. Yeah. Thomas here. Thank you, Sally. Like I said last week, break evens also hurt me. Right, apple butter. So maybe it's a thing, apple butter. We stopped doing break evens. Oh my gosh, this is just gonna be choppy. Like I said, I got $8. Millionaires here. First two trading ranges would have worked. So far, should be still bearish. Bullish break. Yes, Thomas, you are correct. What do you mean by the first two ranges? Because this is one. The second one is the one I took. Unless I'm being blonde. I mean, this one looks like it would have worked now perfectly, naturally. Let's say we went from this range down, would have come in, and it's slowly being the keyword. Hey, blue light beats. Yep. Raphael, why can you only dream of trading, by the way? Sorry. I saw that only now. Mateni Lolo, hi, how are you? And Peace Ninja, exactly. Blue light beats, am I winning? I'm in the green. So yeah, I'm winning. The alarming thing is a new lower high, yes, and not a new lower low, yes. Unless we break the lows recently formed. I mean, it's made a lower low on ES. But now the markets look very different again, which sucks. And ES is right by NWAG, whereas NQ is still rather far away. A recent deal took place between OpenAI and regarding some so that makes sense, Chuma, that makes sense. Really, Andre? Okay. Only true trader, right? ES is looking pretty. Part of me is like, maybe I should just start doing ES instead of this diva over here. Gosh, this diva loves to play games. Kiko, are you done? Did you get your win? Am I saying whoop whoop for you? That 8 could be dinner. No, that's valid. That is valid, Solly. You know, let's not be, especially here in South Africa. $8 is pretty decent. Diamante, no, Diamante, you caught in the chop also high, by the way. Oh, sorry, I'm missing everything. Okay, I'm giving up with scrolling up. I'm sorry. If I missed something, please send it again. Whoop, there it is. Okay, there it goes. Cool. Tony, is this pre-market? No. No. New York opened at 9:30 a.m. So, no. Oh, Thomas, what, you think it's gonna flip bullish now? Really? Oh, it might be. It's about to hit the new weekly opening gap on ES, and then it might just start rocketing to the moon. Let's see. I'm kind of, wait, I'm watching this in anticipation. Max Payne? No. Anyways. Oh, only true trader, but it's good. It's good. It's good. And remember, stick to your discipline, right? Okay, I tapped into NWOG on ES. Now what? Is it gonna just keep going down? Or is this it? Is this the shift up? Let's see. Yes, it's great if you love watching paint dry. I mean, ES looks like it moved quite nicely right now. Apple butter? No? Do you not think so? And it's just tapped into the new weekly opening range. Opening gap, sorry. Tomatoes? Yeah. Tomatoes? Tomatoes? It's not, yeah. Kiko, adios. Are you leaving? Okay, bye. TJ, hey, what up? Oh, okay, Zane, why? What's up? Why no trades for you? Just nothing good? Oh, apart from this flipping chop. It's fine. Oh, okay, Thomas. Okay, okay. I see, hypothetically. I would still be in this trade if I didn't go break even. Just say, I'll be stressing, but I'll still be in this trade. Turbo TV, what up? What are you confused about? Diamante, how's it been going? I haven't seen you in a while. Sengiz? What am I doing? I am trading. Well, I guess the better answer would be I am waiting for my setup so that I can trade. Yes. Trader J. Yeah, how are you? Tony, what time am I on? What do you mean? Well, I mean, I'm using South African time, but I know that opening is at 9:30, which is 3:30 p.m. for me. Hatham, well, I mean, I don't trade using 1-to-1 R, so when I tried, it did not do it for me, no. Oh, is that what you're asking? Sorry. So I go live at around 9:15 EST, so I go on like 15 minutes before New York Open. You don't understand buy, sell. Okay, okay, give me a second. Raphael, this is the place to learn. I mean, I'm not gonna say I have the skills yet either, but I'm still learning, figuring it out. It takes time. Oh, that is amazing, Diamante. Well done. Tony, 1 minute. Min? Well, I mean, wait, did it hit your stop loss? I'm not in this trade anymore. I was break even, so no stop loss for me. Trader J, you're in a long? Okay. Thanks, Raphael. Rahul? Hi. Trader J, you think a long now. And ever get into XRP? I haven't looked into it, to be fair. And like I said, I want to get good at one thing first before I start jumping around and trying to look at other things and then confusing my brain. You know, trading is complicated enough. So Thomas, what I hear is no one knows what it's about to do. We are all just sitting here waiting for it to do something. That's kind of what I'm getting. Yo, bro, trader, what up? How are you? In my opinion, what mode? Oh, please explain what you mean by mode. And then with regards to buy and sell, by the way, so if the market's going up, you want to buy, and if it's going down, you want to be selling. Especially, well, you know, contracts. I will have to make. I'll make a video. I'll make a video with regards to that. How about that? Showbold, just for you. I'll make a video. Oh, thanks, Marcus. I appreciate it. Knight, you think it's gonna drop again? I wonder if this would have taken me out. That's right by where my stop loss was. So literally my stop loss was here. Oh, it may have missed me by a point. Let's see. Let's see if this would have got me or not. Diamante, whoop whoop. Amazing. Do I know how to long-term invest? Does your strategy work in higher time frames? So young pro beats, I have not done any long-term investing, but it does work in higher time frames, yes, because mine is, it's an auction market theory. So, you know, you go for discount and premium. Yeah, and that makes sense, Tony. And oh my goodness. Do you think this would have just tagged me out before going down? If it did, that would have been so rude. Well, okay. I'm counting my chickens before they hatch. Let's see if it does keep going down. If this would have been a loss or not. I'll make a note of it. Don't worry, Knight. The high that creates the lowest low is the external liquidity high. This will be our current range until we break out of the side. Diamante, yeah. I will. I'll do it. I'll do one just explaining buys and sells. So super simple, right? Like I said, I'm not here to pretend that I know everything. I do not know everything. That's why I'm still learning. All other swings are internal liquidity high. Okay, Tom, that makes sense. That does make sense. That does make sense. So, Thomas, do you use the external or the internal? Because obviously I tend to be using the internal, especially with the 1 minute time frame. Which one do you rely on more, the internal or external? And it's going down. Going down. Raphael, what up? What? 3:30 p.m? Yes, what about it? Zane, that's valid. That is valid. And this chop is just... I think this is why I had a headache this morning. This chop is just so frustrating. It is so frustrating. I mean, there's still plenty of time. Let me not start sounding like a whiny baby. There's still plenty of time. There could be more momentum. There could be another trade to catch. If not, again, I'm not going to complain about being in the green. MG, yo, what up? How many hours does the research take versus actual execution of the buy and sell? What do you mean by the research? Like the back testing or figuring out what strategy you want? Yeah. What do you mean by the research? Oh, thanks, Raphael. I appreciate that. MG, hey, thanks, MG. I appreciate it. Some people have that idea. Sorry, I thought I know one of the mods deleted that comment, but that's freaking hilarious. For those of you that did not see, someone said I look like a crackhead, which, number one, that's pretty funny. Number two, I got all my teeth and stuff. I'm good. And number three, I call all my animals crackheads because they're crazy. The only reason I'm having a good giggle at that. Literally, I'll go around and I'll look at my horse and be like, you are a crackhead. What is wrong with you? Because he just, yeah, he's a chop. Anyways, Tube Treasure, I'm not in a trade right now, but my TP would have been at the 25108 level. And my stop loss was at 25180, but I got out in a break even, so yeah. You use both, and external gives stronger signals. Yes, though sometimes they don't get hit because it moved up. Because internal highs have power to drive it down. Thomas K. Okay, yeah. That does make sense. It does make sense. But also with the externals, aren't those like long-term trades or not? I guess it depends on the market, right? Could that be a day trade situation, or is it more like a weekly or a monthly trade? Oh, MG, that's so sweet. No, I'm definitely not a pro. Well, not yet, guys. Maybe one day. We've got this. But no, I'm not a pro yet at all. I'm still baby trader, if you will. I've only been trading since April. So everything I know, I've literally learned from this amazing community. They help me out so much. Every day I learn something new. Young Pro Beats, I hear you. I don't know. I feel like my brain... How do I put this? My brain wants the quick, yeah? Like I want that quick go. It's something I'll look into it. I'm not saying no, I'm just saying not yet. Like I said, I want to get good at doing this, but the long term is an option. Solly, nice. Oh, thank you, Solly. I appreciate it. Yes, it just takes 100%. Yeah, that's it. So success rate is even higher. That would make sense, especially with what I'm chatting about with Thomas K right now about the external, yeah, the external and internal. Thank you. Aw, thanks, Chiva. You're so sweet. I really appreciate it. The goal, right? Yes. No, Thomas, not again. Not again. I'm so sorry. And I know, Chima, as I said it, I thought that and I was like, oh no. It does, it sounds like that, but damn it. Thomas K, external highs, external low. Okay. Tony, these are contracts, right? Yes. We're not trading contracts. I'm pretty sure I'm trading contracts. That high is liquidity inside the trading rate. After sweeping, we kept pushing and broke external. Or a breakout. Okay. Raphael, that's major timer. Thanks, Raphael. And thanks for the sub, Crazy Vex. Chima, have I ever visited Wall Street? I have not. Part of me really wants to. Is it that impressive? Like, is it worth going to go and see Wall Street? They're not just a bunch of buildings and you just kind of sit there going, wow, that looks cool. Rizwan, hey! Yeah, no, listen, to be fair, it appears to be that way. I did say, I know I'm kind of grumpy that I called it, but I did, in a way, call with this push up. I was like, oh, I think it's going to be choppy. And alas, we are indeed choppy. So I'm not going to do anything. I mean, I did try this trade. I would still be in this trade. I can't believe it, but I would still be in this trade, guys. Let's see if this would have been the one to get me out. But yes, Rizwan, I do agree this does appear to be a seek and destroy day, where it's just going all the way up, all the way down, so just choppy. It's, yeah. It's not worth trading in the chop. Like I said, I'm 2R up for the day, which is not bad. I can't be upset about that. Hey Val, how are you? What? Ooh, Tony, but would we be allowed to go in? Do you think that's a thing you could do? Hey, KNT, how are you? Tim, Tizzy, join the Hell Divers. What's that? What is that? Hey, Hamid, how are you? I'm doing good, thanks. I can't complain. Sorry, guys, I know it's a lot of chatting today, but, what the hell am I supposed to do in this chop? This chop is just excruciating. Right, Leafa? This is, yeah. This is not ideal. Let's check out the higher time frame. So the 5 minute. (15-minute). Okay. Meh. The 15, the 15, English. The 15 is going up. What was I looking at earlier on the 15? I was looking at this, wasn't I? Let's see. So I would have been in with the 15. If I make a little line here, let's make a little line here. Whee! We're gonna make these two lines purely out of curiosity on the 15-minute to see if this would have been a win. And now the 1 hour, let's check out the 1 hour. Okay. It's looked worse. Let's just say that. It looked worse. Still wouldn't have hit my stop loss though, is that cool, I guess? Oh no, oh, there. Leafa, can we trade together? I mean, sure, we can. Sorry, yeah. I mean, only fine. Why only fine? Leafa, really? You think this is gonna be a buy? Right now, I just feel like this is just Chip Chop City. Tony, charted, set alert, and wait. Okay, KNT, nice. And now it's your turn to be here. Awesome. I feel glad that I'm here. Or that you come here and comment. That was English. That's what. Oh, yep. Okay. Nope. You called it. You called it. Let's see. It's gonna continue to go up now. Oh, do we finally have some movement? Is it gonna break out of VWAP on ES? Maybe not. just tapped into VWAP on ES. Oh wait, let me make a note here. And oh, see, night. This is where it gets complicated. There were 6 break-evens. 3 would have been wins, 3 would have been losses. But I guess with the 1 to 2 are, the wins would then still mean I would be in profit, right? Thomas, no money on the table. This chopper's no idea unless you have small risk at highs and lows of internal range. Yeah. Like here, if anyone's in this, that would be awesome. It just took the high, now it's gonna drop down. It spoke too soon. I was gonna say it's gonna drop down a little bit, which it did. So I guess if you're in teeny tiny trades, like 10 pointers, that could be quite decent. I know there are some people that do some little 10 pointers. When trading on small time frame, use lock profits. Lefa, what is that? Tony, inverse fair value gap. Where? Where do you see an inverse fair value gap? Is it on a higher time frame? Oh, sorry. That's what Tony is responding to what Thomas said. Got it. Let me take the 15-minute. There's a little one here. Are you talking about this one, Thomas? Let's draw it from here. That one? Am I looking at the wrong one? So I know I've made it smaller, like the full one would be there and there, but... I mean, it did tap into it, now it looks like potentially wants to go down. Let's see. Okay, it's below VWAP on both ES and NQ, so finally have they readjusted themselves. They kind of have. Cool. Oh, thanks, Lefa. Yeah, 100% Thomas, but that's why I'm not 1R, right? I do the 1 to 2R. Knight? Okay, so Knight, you're in a short share for a small position. Nice, nice. %, Solly, 100%. But with regards to the 1 to 2R, then is it not... I don't want to say more damaging, because I don't think it's more damaging, but you know, are you then not losing out on potential profits? Val, you think it's going to drop? Oh, okay, Thomas. Okay, so you weren't looking at that one. Oh, and now they're different again. Now ES looks like it's wanting to climb and NQ is looking like it wants to drop down. That's fun. This is fun. IQ option. Tiago, I'm actually not sure. Chat? What do you mean NQ? Tony. No, I'm not. Not blowing my account. I'm trying really hard to be smart about it. Oh, thanks, Solly. Oh no, Diamante, was it not good? I'm sorry. No, Diamante, what happened? Does anyone use the MACD? Thomas is asking. So that would have been super rude. That literally would have wicked me out. And now it looks like it's potentially going down. Again, it is still climbing on ES. Oh my gosh, the headache is back. My headache was gone. The chop is giving me a headache. I cannot believe it. Literally, the chop is giving me a headache. That's fun. This is fun. Oh, Tiago, sorry, this is Project X. I love that. Awesome. Thomas K. 3R always unless it runs. Again. Let's see. Hey, Ragu? I feel like I butchered that, I'm so sorry. Tiago, you are welcome. Deepa, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Thank you, Knight. Yeah, listen, I'm gonna wait for the chop. Is it actually gonna stop? Are we gonna stop ranging? Like I said, the 5 minute just looks shocking right now. This is just going up and down and... Well, up and... No, it's not going up and down. It's going freaking sideways. It's literally just going sideways. Oh, sorry. Wow. Hey, Texas. That was a very colorful explanation, but yes. That's literally... NQ is just being a diva. Unnecessarily so, can I just say. Nice! Deepu, yeah, where are you from? Top GG Top, hi. I am. Well, I traded this morning. I did place this one trade. It was a break even. So that's fine. So I am in the green for today. Not by a lot, but green is green, right? I mean, I'm nowhere near 50k for the day though, damn. Old bullish and bearish is to use 15 MA price to better. Have I ever tried range theory? No? What is range theory, Tony? Thank you, Top GG Top, right? That's all we can hope for at the end of the day, is to be in the green. Hamid, I don't know, guys. What do you think about BTC? Right, Thomas? Yeah, 100%. Top GG Top, I think you need to tell us your secret, you little bastard. But on the plus side, are we actually gonna stop ranging now? NQ needs to stop being a diva. Oh my gosh. So, okay, let me not speak too soon, but it looks like my 15-minute would have been working out right now. So I just drew this. This is where my take profit was on the 15-minute. That's not bad. Oh, interesting, Texas. You think so? Well, there we go, Hamid. Texas, this says it will run until the end of the year, but by the end of the year, just get out. I PG-13'd it, but yes. Basically that. That was the conclusion. Okay, well, we've gone a little bit past. Is it dumb to potentially... No, I feel like it's dumb. Let me not. Part of me was like, I can try to get into a short here, but... ES is pushing. No. No. When arranging, set up support and resistance line and catch one going down on the third touch. Interesting. Okay, but would this be 1 and this 2 and that is the third touch? I guess I'll just have to do research on that, sorry. But that's interesting. That's interesting. I must have a look. I've never heard of that before. Texas, you'll be looking to short crypto end of the year. Okay. No, there's two types of chops. One complete range bound with high and low. Yeah. To a slow chop towards one side, creating higher high or lower lows. Yes, we can trade the chop range breakout and it runs. That does make sense. That does make sense. But hello, hello. Are you gonna come? Nope. I thought he would come say hi. No luck. Sorry. No luck of saying hi today. I don't know why. He's just not on the mood. NASA, hi, by the way. No crypto for me. You stick with futures until the market disappears from existence. Yeah, Thomas, 100%. 100%. I hate it so much when ES and NQ look so different. Alright, the shirt's doing weird wonderful things. There we go. Whee! ES looks bullish right now. NQ bearish. Just needed to break 25125. It really doesn't want to. It really does not want to. Oh, sorry. Oh my word. I feel like I need another coffee, but it's a little late to have another coffee. Texas, we're going lower. Yes, we are. Coffee does sound good though. I wonder. Sheem, am I crying? No, I'm not crying. I'm sorry, I yawned. Fun fact, people were very concerned about me when I got my nose ring. Because I did not tear up. They're like, you are supposed to when the nerves in your nose get, you know, beaten up, essentially, or poked. They were like, why are you not, where are the tears? I was like, I don't know. Anyways, Sorry, random fun fact. Moving on. Oh, nice. Ooh, an espresso sounds amazing. But like I said, it's a little late to have a coffee. And I'm not gonna sleep nicely tonight, so meh. Thomas, right? Oh yeah. Tube Treasure, so close. It wants to. It's just being a brat. Let's see. Are we gonna actually ever get out of this? No, we will. We will. We will. I need to just stop being a negative Nancy. Vishal, why? What? Hi. Thank you. Okay, Night, watch a silent voice. Okay, is it also an anime? Thanks, Chiba. You're so funny. Oh, I was actually... Let me have a look. Shall I quickly check? Let's see, I don't know if I'm being cheeky. Let's see. I'm gonna hop onto... Let's see how I'm looking. Damn, that screen was brighter than... Whew, I could manage, but anyways. Yeah, so okay, last week was a green week. Green every day except for Friday. Friday I was down $31. Not the end of the world. And now we are starting this week, so that's, you know, we're getting there, we're getting there. Slowly but surely, but like I said, I think the main thing was I was digging myself up out of the hole that was, not last week, the week before. Cheers, Michelle. What, is it sad? What's wrong with Silent Voice? Only True Trader now? I'm scared. Why do I not want to watch it? Is it good? I watch anime and I have a tattoo. Hell yeah. Like I said, I'm on the final series, so part 2 of season 4 of Attack on Titan. It's good, except sorry, I'm gonna say spoilers. Anyone that hasn't watched it, block your ears. The politics and Eren at the end is a little bit of a baby, but it's fine. You need a silent voice search so you remember. Okay. It's cooking in this range like a Christmas dinner. Ain't going nowhere till everyone decides it's time to eat. Thomas K, I love that. That is such a... Wait, have we decided? Has it decided? This wouldn't have tagged me and that would have been low-key very rude. Oh, cheers, Vishal. Enjoy. Laser. So my main strategy is this one with the GAN box. It's why I'm not really placing any trades in the chop because it does not work with the chop. But yes, that is my main strat. Well, it's my only strategy right now. I'm trying not to strategy hop because when I do that, when I did that, I haven't done it in a while, like 2 months, which is good. But when I did do that, oh, it was a disaster. Wow, that was bad. That was terrible. That's how I just blew accounts left, right, and center. Not fun. Oh, okay. Or Thomas, you know, Thomas K nailed it. Never mind. Ignore me. Hell yeah, Raphael. That's a nice thing with Project X. It does. It almost keeps a journal for you. happened? What happened? What happened? Oh, okay. So you're short on the ES. Good, 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 good. Joven, can I just call you Joven? Sorry. I'm on Project X right now. Michelle, that's fine. Now imagine I continue trading like this for next 1 year. Oh, thanks, Knight. I mean, that's the plan, right? Damn it. Damn it. This would have been a win. Oh. Let me actually take a note here. Let me add a note of the fact that it would have just ticked me. That's not what I want. Here we go. Just ticked me out. Then winning trade. If I didn't go break even, but yes. So it literally would have just wicked me out and then gone down for the win, which is rude. Very rude, but whatever. Isan, am I a trader or a YouTuber? Both. Tube treasure, yes. Oh, no, you use ChatGPT to journal? Interesting, really? Okay, okay. Well, right. Which is frustrating as hell. Oh no, did I miss this? No, I don't think I did. Nope, nope. I need some proper breakout, right? I need a proper breakout before I get into anything. Let's see if this would have tagged me out or not. Oh, that would have been rude. That wick would have scared me, but that would have been really rude. And this one just did not come up high enough to tag me in. Again, on the 15-minute right now, this would be a really good trade. On the 15-minute. Tony, does keeping one theory work? With regards to discipline and mental, yes. I think especially for new traders. I think if you've been trading for a few, again, please correct me if I'm wrong, guys, that have obviously been trading longer than me. But I think if you've been trading longer, then you can have a few different strategies, like lying around. I don't want to say lying around, but you know. Then I think you can have a few different strategies. But I think, especially if you're a little bit like me, where I like to overthink, to have one strategy that you perfect is good. And then from there, you can start to maybe add another one for ranging days, right? Like I said, mine doesn't work on days like this. So maybe then I start exploring a strategy that would. But I'm not there yet. Jovan, you're about to do your first trade this Wednesday. Any advice? Try to not let the emotions get involved. And trust your strategy. If you've done the backtesting, if you've done the homework, trust your strategy, wait for an A+ setup, try not to just jump in. And if you miss your setup, there's always more trades. There's always more trades. No. Oh, you think it's gonna keep going lower? Okay, okay. Oh, thanks, Raphael. Hey, Neil, how you doing? You know what? I can't complain. I can't complain. How are you? How's it going? Asan, no, this is the Nasdaq futures. The micros, to be more specific. Ooh, going back to Jovan. So I'm on the micros purely just because then I do not blow through capital, especially because I am also still new. So I'm gonna definitely make mistakes. So the micros just mean if I do make a mistake, I'm not losing thousands, I'm losing hundreds, which is a lot better. Oh, nice, okay. This thing looks like it wants to go down. Tube treasure, stick to my plan. The problem is this was my plan. It still wouldn't have come to get me yet. I mean, it could still come up. Then I have a bit of a... There, let's check on the higher time frames. It's not terrible, and it does look like it's wanting to go down. I feel like slowly but surely is the key word here. So slowly. Again, I think the thing making me nervous is how it's just sitting on VWAP on ES right now. Literally just sitting there. $20 points. And that's a very frustrating push up. Hassan, how do you trade then? Tony, yeah, potentially, but like I said, that'll come, like you said, when I get better, I'll be able to slowly start adjusting it accordingly. Like I'll then know on choppy days, I must change my whatever to wherever. Spread the wealth. Price is about to rip hard from this area. Up or down though? Vishal, I don't have a husband. So, anyways. Sammy. Ooh, it is. Ooh, okay. Okay. Might be long on NAS. Cool. Thank you, Sammy. Thank you. No, 50k on top step. Damn, Thomas. Gojo Satoru in anime. What is anime voice? No. I didn't set up this trade, and I low-key wanted to do it, and I was like, damn it. Oh, rip beans up. Okay, spread the wealth. What would you say for going down then? Just melt? Sorry, thank you. Thomas. Really? Thomas D, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Sorry, let me just make sure. No. Nope. There we go. Done. Awesome sauce. Oh gosh. Hey, Al, how's it going? Oh, okay, so dump down, rip up. Got it. Thank you. Thanks, Spread the Wealth. Appreciate it. Thomas is just... Thomas is good. Thomas is good. One day when I'm big, I'll be like Thomas. I'm not there yet, though. Knight, to be fair, so any of the any of my affiliates are actually really good with payouts. That's the one thing. I did research, made sure with regards to payouts, they are decent. Decent? No, they're good. They're good. Hey, right? I'm sorry, Solly. I am sorry. To be fair, London wasn't bad this morning. Up until a point. It wasn't bad up until a point. This sucks. This is frustrating. Hey, nice, Donis. What do you do, Donisty? Tony, is Thomas K good at trading? Well, I mean, from what he has told us, yes. Oh, damn, Thomas, 7 years. Wow, I feel like we need to have a celebration for Thomas on his 7-year trade-anniversary. Ooh, I like a trade-anniversary. Nice. Yeah, Knight, that's impressive. 5 minutes, holy cow. Oh, Raphael, you're very funny. Thank you. Novartis. I mean, everything is up here. If there's one thing I try my best to be, it's to be honest. Like I said, I started a 50k challenge. Actually, the week that I was red, I started a new 50k eval. And then I had a red week. And now the past 2 weeks, well, last week was green. Today, luckily, has been green so far. I've been just kind of digging myself up out of that red week. That red week was really bad. Yeah, like I said, everything is here. Everything is here. I'm not here to be deceiving or say that I'm making millions. I'm not. I'm still on the eval. I'm still figuring things out. Like I said, I had a... when I started this 50k, I had a bad red week. It was bad. But yeah, last week was green so far. I mean, it's only Monday, but still. But so far, green this week. Let's see if it continues. Okay, Isan, and now what do you do? Is gold short? Ooh, gold is short. Okay. Let's see if this starts going up. I tend to notice, not always, but sometimes when gold is going up, NQ will go down, vice versa. I do know it's not always, but it tends to be like that. Knight, aren't you? Knight, what would you consider a profitable trader? Out of curiosity now. Aw, Raphael, tell them to grow up, right? I mean, 15 to 30 minutes is not bad, right? Is that just me? I'm kind of going, that's not bad at all. Especially in South Africa, some things take long. Sometimes things take long in South Africa. Thank you, Tony. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Knight, what the hell? What about all of my prop firms? Rude. Have I ever tried? No, I have not done Steve. I have not. Nin? Why? What? What's happening? Anyways. I guess that's valid. That's valid. Ugh, why does this look like it actually is heading towards a win? But Sammy thinks it's gonna rip up, eh? Right? Or just rip. Rip. Dump is down, rip is up. See, learning. I think what's also quite tricky about trading is the lingo, or the jargon, if you will. Because, oh my gosh, that used to confuse the living daylights out of me. I remember when I used to sit here and people would say things and I was like, what are you even talking about? I don't understand. Are you even speaking English? And I'm like, yeah, I got it. Like HTF, higher time frame, you know, all of those things. I remember sitting here as a complete newbie going, what? What? What do you mean? That was stressful. Oh, young for 100%. I was terrified. Terrified. This is intimidating stuff, especially if you're new. There's a lot. That's why I try and keep it simple. Else, like I said, I love to overthink. It's like my favorite pastime. But then overthinking is a problem. So, like I said, when I started, absolutely terrified. I still remember my first trade. Yeah. Terrified. And now I'm like, yeah, just put it there, it's fine. Yeah. Easy peasy. Ooh, interesting night. Okay, and how long have you had a month yet? Ah, Isan, okay, if you say so. God, night, it's hard, hey? Even the basics are not so basic. There's a lot to look at. Oh my gosh, it's literally just, it's having a picnic on VWAP right now. What is this? It's not moving. This is lazier than my bloody horse. I love him to bits, but damn, he can be lazy sometimes. Can we please just get some movement going? Ah, Raphael, don't worry, you'll get there, you'll get there. LP, you took this range long. This one? Nice. Okay. That's a goodie, LP. Here it goes. Let's see if it's gonna keep popping up. Little tap. Wow, I called it lazy and now it's decided it's gonna start getting some movement. Thank heavens. Nonchalanty, do I not look happy? I'm sorry. If you take stock tips, well, it's a good freaking thing I'm not giving stock tips then. Hey, whew, thank heavens. You think it's dumping, then eventually liquidity is gonna come in? Yeah. Yeah, let's see. But Nonchalanty, listen. Yeah, this is just... I'm not happy because I really wanted to get some more trades in today. In the same breath, I did get a trade in earlier and it was a win, so I must just stop complaining. Oh, thanks, Martin. Ooh, Dynasty, that's interesting. Okay, but maybe, right, it's because you started young, right? Young for a beat. It's the same as like, sorry, I'm just gonna use it as a good metaphor. The same as horse riding. If you start young, there's no fear of falling. There's no fear because, you know, kids bounce, we bounce. But if you start riding a horse as an adult and you're much more aware of the fears and what could go wrong, yeah, that's when fear takes over. Hey, Tristan Lev, how are you? That's also so sweet. You're thinking of me today at work. No. Not yet, Tristan. Not yet. I'm not profitable yet. Like I said, I'm not here pretending like I am either. I'm not profitable yet. I'm still new to this. The goal is to make a living off of this. That's the goal, right? That's the dream. Okay, so LP, you're break even now. Nice. Vishal, you're here to bargain with the cool. Awesome bag. Like, in general or today? Oh, Thomas K, that's mean. That is mean. Boom Banana, I don't know what you're talking about. This is so much fun. Boom, have you got any trades in? Son, why don't I trade crypto? Oh, just purely because I started with futures and I want to get good at one thing before I start exploring the big, scary, wide world of the stock market. There's a lot. Oh my gosh. LP, did you... Oh my gosh. LP, did you get taken out at break even? Did it stop you out? Oh, thanks, team. I appreciate it. Oh, thanks, Donesty. I appreciate it. Yeah, enjoy. Catch up later. Martin, you think this is cut bait? Okay, boom. So me and you, same. Weird. Why are we on, like... Anyways. Yeah. Oh, thanks, Raphael. I appreciate it. Hi! Where have you been, Franks? I've missed you! I haven't seen you in a while. I hope you're doing well. I hope the trading is going amazing. I don't understand what's happening right now either. Don't worry, Thomas. I'm very confused. Is this the stock market? Yes. Opening the matrix high, by the way. Oh, nice! Nice, LP. Whoop whoop then for you. Is anyone else deserving of a whoop whoop today, by the way? For those of you that are new, a whoop whoop gets spread around from everyone if you've had a winning trade. Am I whoop whooping for people? Yes or no? This one looks like it might be going up for a loss. That was a goodie, LP. Well done. To be fair, let's see if this one would have been a goodie. Oh, no! This would have been really nice. Damn. Okay, wait. Does this mean... Oh, finally have we made decisions in life? Are we gonna start moving? You know what really sucks? On the 15-minute, I would still be in this trade. I would probably be break-even by now still. Oh, Vishal, no! What happened? Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Got it. Oh, thanks, Franks. Yeah, but I mean, you were like my day one. Yeah, that's valid, Raphael. That's really valid. Is this what I think? And actually, no, I live my life. Interesting, young folk. Okay, what age did you start then? Like, what age did you actually start? Do we do this? Do we try this? Which range should we try? This one? It seems a little bit risky. Oh, there's this one. Did it take something? No, not really. Hasn't taken anything on ES yet. That range is just tiny. I don't think this is gonna come back to tag me in either. No, I don't think it's gonna come get me. Bob, what in the world is this ES doing? It's going absolutely nowhere slowly. That's it. This is what this all feels like right now. We're going nowhere slowly. Oh, Vishal, that makes sense, yeah. Damn, 19? Yeah, that's valid, Thomas. That is valid. I just really thought it would try grab more liquidity, if that makes sense. I know it hit NWOG on ES, but it wasn't even close on NQ. I really thought it would go down and try grab it. Apparently I was wrong. Should I try this one? Let's give this a go. But I feel like I just need to do a lot less contracts because of the chop being choppy. I mean, Kodak Blue, I guess you can. But you don't, what? So Thomas, you don't think this could be going a little bit higher now? It hasn't taken any proper liquidity yet. It could come back and start ranging though. Anyways, moving on. Oh, it's nearly that time anyways where it starts to dry up. The volume starts to dry up anyways, so before the PM, which is normally when I call it. Oh guys, that kind of sucks, sorry. I thought it would be a bit more fun. I could have looked at entering here. That's my bad. I could have looked at it. The VWAP probably would have just made me nervous. However, with how much it's been wanting to go up on ES, I should have just trusted it. And now it looks like it wants to be heavy again. Or does it? Hitting quite a bit of resistance around this 170 zone. DBZ Doodles? What is this? This is chaos. Welcome. No, I'm joking. Hi, I'm Maya. This is the awesome trading community. Yeah, we are traders. You are a surgeon. That's cool, Michelle. Anything you specialize in? Solly. Solly. Oh my gosh, Solly, have I missed you? You're not allowed to go away again. Ah, nice, but you see, they don't support South Africans, so can't do it. Arsh, that was terrible. Oh, cool. 100% Solly. That was, yeah. There's gotta be better ones. There's gotta be better. Surely there must be better pickup lines. I must say, one day I'm dying for someone to be like, did it hurt when you fell from heaven? I'd be like, no, it hurt when I had to climb my way up from hell, but, you know, it is what it is. Green Emerald Frog? No, I've kind of switched to bull bias, but I don't know. You know what? It's just choppy. In all honesty, I'm neutral. I'm no bias right now. I'm just which kind of sucks. But anyways, hi Green Emerald Frog. How are you doing? Straight to jail. Yep. Oh gosh. Anyways. You'd long, right? Yeah, that was a... What were you saying? Yeah, what were you saying? Let's see. I was looking at this for the entry. Well, no, to be fair, I was looking at this, but this range is a little bit small, so... I do have VWAP, I do have the shot. With how it's ranging, I think I'm just not trusting it. I don't trust it to not come down, get me, and then go back up, which is why I was looking at the bigger range for potential entry. But this one theoretically would be the better one. I have a higher chance of it coming to wick down and then go back up. What's that, Boom? What was wild? What was wild? Hey, Salman. Hi, how are you? Interesting. Oh, thanks, Raphael. Yeah, I mean, you've got it, right? You've got to have a sense of humor in life. Or else, life's just boring. Green Emerald Frog, yeah, 100%, just because you said it. But, I mean, it is respecting it. You are not wrong. It's respecting the hell out of it. Do I like coffee? I mean, yeah, who does not like coffee? Just like... Tony, tell them to take cold showers. Yeah. Ooh, okay, Thomas. Yeah. I agree, you need the bullish to fail, but what if you want to get in on this bullish? Except it seems to have hit a very high resistance area, so that's great. Risk management, right? Rather end the day in the green. I mean, I'm up $118. I know for some people that's not much, but for me, that's pretty good. Because part of me is contemplating, like, should I maybe try this long? But this resistance is not ideal right now. I do think it is going to want to rip though, but I could be wrong. And is it worth, yeah, you know, risk management at the end of the day. Tom, you don't drink coffee? You only drink water. I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. No, I'm joking, I'm joking. That's really good. That's a whole lot healthier. Okay. So I would have been in this trade. Let's see if this is now gonna go up and I'm gonna regret not taking it. Probably, right? Probably. Can we please just work? But again, risk management. Risk management in the green for the day. Why risk it on a bit of a choppy, weird mess that's going on right now? Yes, sorry, I said resistance. I did it on purpose. My apologies. Sometimes I throw in accents and I don't even realize I'm doing it. Okay, true. Solly, I mean, yeah, actually, Solly's got a point there, Thomas. You're leaning more towards shorts with the, ooh, okay, apple butter, why? Why are you feeling the shorts out of curiosity? Cooley Yuli, that's cool. Anyways, hi. Michelle spiked the fountain. Oh my gosh, Solly, I've missed you. That was so funny. I was not expecting that. That was brilliant. Guys, I think we have to just change the channel name to Teach Maya Trading and join Solly's one-man comedy show. Avinash, I've heard that gold has just been on a mission, which is flipping awesome if you're trading gold. Ooh. Damn, Thomas. Oh my gosh. Oh, Bob, what happened? Bob, what happened? Bob, what happened? What happened, Bob? Oh, thanks, Raphael. Oh, I've never been told that. I've been told your focus is everywhere. But I appreciate it. Yeah, hell yeah, resistance. Okay. Okay, Apple, so you're feeling a short because it's hitting a resistance level. What if it breaks the resistance level? Or are you thinking it might go back down to VWAP on ES? Ooh, green emerald frog. Ooh. I mean, I was, who did... I wanted someone. Who was it? I wanted apple butter, but I think apple butter's a bit shy. Who wants to be the next collab? Maybe that's the question. If you guys are keen on doing a collab with me, pop me an email. Yeah, pop me an email. Tell me which day works for you. We could do a collab. It could be fun. Higher time frames don't look great for higher highs. Interesting. Okay. Boom banana, is it time for the sell finally? Oh my gosh, Bob, I'm sorry. Wolf comes on and talks and yells at you, then you know. I'm just saying. What were you about to do, or are you doing it? Huh. Interesting night. Oh, yeah, I can't imagine. I would have fainted if that happened. I think I would have just stopped in my tracks and not done anything. Anonymous Rex, probably not. I can tell you that one for free. Go, bro, trader, you want to do a collab with me? Collab. Oh, thanks, LP. Yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, if you wouldn't mind pressing the like button, that would be amazing. And if you guys do want to help me out, like I said, all the affiliates and all of their links are in the description, which is super duper cool. Up to 6 now. No, I lie. 8? No. 6. What? Yeah. Damn. Okay, point is, it's a lot of affiliates. If you want to use my code to help me out, that would be amazing. Collab, yes. Deadwolf, you don't even have a mic. Well, who is lying? I feel like Bob wouldn't lie about you yelling at him. So... there we go, only 2 trader. That'll be fun. Let's do it. That drop on Friday was such a bear trap. Yeah. Oh. That's okay, Apple Butter. They just have to see your face and you just have to talk. You don't even have to share your screen. Tony, it's in my bio, in my description. Should I add in the description? It's just teachmayatrading@gmail.com. No weird and wonderful things. More probably reason to sell like double top, but bullish ones still supporting from underneath. See, this is hard. Marshall, do I love pizza? Yes, pizza's good. Why? Pizza's awesome. Oh, what? You serious? Damn, Avinash, that's crazy. Solly? Why is Solly out here causing rubbish? What the heck? Okay, okay. Hold and form some, then you can actually see selling pressure. Go on then. I think Solly should do it. Solly. Solly. Okay. Bob, I love that. I flipping love that so much. Bob, are you still in a trade, by the way? Oh, hey Jeff, how are you? Yeah, like I said, so not last week, the week before was a red week. That was not great. But last week was then a green week, which was awesome. But because mentally I was a little bit broken, if you will, I wasn't placing it. No, I wasn't. Yes, I wasn't setting as many contracts, so obviously I didn't make as much. And so far today, I'm in the green with one trade in. Well, 2 trades. The other one was a break even. Yeah, this chop is just not great. Let's see if this would have been a win. Should I have trusted myself? Is this just gonna chop? Is it just gonna hit this resistance level and wait? Is it breaking out of it? It's breaking out of it on ES. Is it a proper breakout though? Or are we just still chopping? Oh my gosh, it looks like we're still just chopping. Tony, what's that? interesting night. Okay, so it's eventually gonna go down. I mean, I hear you. It's just about when, and you have to get in on that drop. It's gonna hit where my TP was, isn't it? And here we go. Wait, there we go. That would have been a win, damn. I overthought it again. Flip. The night. That's on me. I think it's because I did my 10. I was like, I've done my 10, I'm done. No. Now we start a new 10. Because that would have been a win. Shoot. Oh well. Boom, why are you yelling at me? Oh my gosh, why are you yelling? Geordie, are you serious? Geordie, did you actually go and ride a horse? Oh, Boom Banana's yelling. Us, London tomorrow. I mean, yeah. Why not? It's going to all-time highs. Spread the wealth. It looks like it. Hey, Nox, where have you been? Oh, okay. Yeah, it doesn't look like it, Thomas. Oh well. Yeah, I'm gonna start a new 10, and this time it's gonna be no break-evens, which is a little bit terrifying. But I gotta stick with it, right? Gotta stick with it. Dark Angel, not much. This chop has been rubbish. I'm assuming you haven't done anything because of the chop, right? Geordie, stop teasing me, tell me. You found a place in Pretoria. Oh, Geordie, that is so cool. My fellow South Africans, you guys also missed the derby yesterday. Sorry. It's a very big thing when it comes to show jumping. But it's fine. Yeah, Nox. Rude? I'm joking. Don't worry about it. Jeff, I mean, I have my VWAP, I have volume, but in general, I try to keep it as, how do I put it? I want to say as less complicated, but that is disgusting English. I try to keep it as simple. There we go, English, found it. I try to keep it as simple as possible. Else, I did it where I had too much on the screen. That was a problem. There was too many things. Oh, that's valid. Sorry, Dark Angels. Yeah, that's valid. Damn, Alfie, look at you go. Oh, cheers, Michelle. Yeah, 100%. Sorry, Geordie and Nox, you guys kind of joined and I'm probably gonna be calling it soon. I can stick around for another, like, let's stick around for another 15 minutes, but I don't think I'm gonna get any trades in. I think that was it. Sorry, I know a little bit more of a boring day. I am in the green, so I can't complain about that. Yes, Michelle, bye. You were very funny. Apple butter, how's it looking for you? I know you're looking for shorts. Are you still feeling shorts? Are you gonna try some longs now? What's the plan? Geordie, I think everyone catches your drift there, just saying. Just thing. And to be fair, the fact that you went there and were out for like an hour, was out for work. Oh, that might be my cue to go, guys. Apparently English has depleted for the day. There's no more English left. See, Solly's got you. Oh, hey Blitz, how you doing? Are you also green? Apple butter, and you know what? That's fine. This is not the best market today. I mean, let's have a look at the 15-minute. I'm gonna turn this off so it's not so loud and noisy. I mean, this is not looking great. This is heading nowhere slowly. And the 1 hour... Oh, damn. No, that's a doji. Nah, just no. It does look like it wants to potentially keep going bullish, though. But it is like Knight said, this... Yeah. I don't know. There should theoretically be a lot of liquidity sitting underneath. Is it gonna go get it? I'm not sure. Hey Rolf, aw, sorry, did you just get you? Green Emerald Frog, what exactly isn't working? What do you have? Are you talking to me? Because English apparently is not working. Ooh, coolly, it's between the fair value gaps and order blocks. Yeah, I tend to like those two. Jordy, I mean, it appears to have not been a bad day for everyone. I know it's a Monday, but I think everyone's been quite smart with their trades today, which is awesome. Oh, okay, bye, Boom. Boom, tomorrow? Yeah? We doing it? Yes, yeah. Yes, I'm doing a 50k challenge. Jordy, are you gonna go and do, whatchamacallit, bull riding? No? Yeah, bull riding. That's what it's called. What the cowboys do. It's called bull riding. Yes, this is Nasdaq futures. Micros, to be more specific. Rolf, I took one trade during the London session, which was a win, and I took a trade earlier that was a break-even trade. And I missed this one now, unfortunately, but it is what it is. It is basically middle of the day now in New York, obviously. It's PM for me, and I know it dries up until later. Young Pro Beat, well done. Whoop whoop for you. That's awesome. %, Raphael. It's done for the day. I'm sorry. Jose, hi! You know what? I'm in the green, so I can't complain. Not by like tons, but green is green. Rodeo, thank you, Rolf. Oh my gosh. But it's you know, it's just called bull riding. It's not like a rodeo bull riding, because rodeo could also be on a horse and there's barrel racing. And see, I know the horse side of things. Don't ask me about bulls. LP, what? What's happening? LP, what did I miss? Oh yeah, 100%. Hey Jessica Jeff, how are you? Oh my gosh. Just because, you know, I'm still new and I'm still figuring things out and I still make mistakes and I don't want to blow through capital. That's sweet and simply. I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like I missed something. I'm missing something. Could be by just not having those indicators on, or else it would drive me mental. But sweet and simply, my strategy is I use the range and then I look for those confluences within that range to confirm that it's an A+ setup. That's how I then calm it down. I feel like I've missed a lot. Oh, just. Abinash, no, I do not. Okay. Wait. I accidentally clicked into it the other day. I'm gonna let you guys know when you can join, but yes, I did tell you it was happening, and it is indeed happening. Okay, I told you guys. Thank you. But yes, I will let you know when you can go. Wait. English is gone. I will let you guys know when you can join, but this is happening. Okay, this is a thing. This is going to be a thing. I'm excited. It's going to be awesome. Actually, I can stay there. Anyways, there we go. I mean, that's not a bad idea. Actually, that's not a bad idea. Geordie, that's the plan, right? It's because, well, let me just, let's get in for it. Let's have a chat. That sounds terrible. But yeah, basically, I want this to be a community. You know, and I want the community to be able to share their trades with one another. And I mean, as it is, I like to think we've already made friends. I know obviously Dark Angel, Bob, and Det, definitely, and High Life, right? Yeah. You know, and everyone's made friends that are like-minded and want to be supportive, and I want that to be the Discord full of amazing community members that just want to share their journey as well. So it's not just, you know, I don't want it to just be about me. I want it to be a community situation, which is awesome. Sorry, that was like my 2 cents worth of that. Yeah, because then instead of you guys just saying, oh, you know, I had a win here, or, you know, you guys can actually share it with me, well, with us, not just me, with everyone in the community, and we can all be like, that is amazing, and we can give whoop whoops from everyone for your awesome trades. Hey, Raphael, yeah. Solly, it will be, especially to begin with. I think in the beginning I'll limit it to like 50 people, which even then sounds like a lot, but you know, I'll limit it to 50, not 15, 50, so that it's not too much, right? You don't want it to be too hectic. Jody, you're in. Yes. Yeah, there we go. See, like Raphael, he's new. We love him. He's awesome. And he's here to learn, which is amazing. Which is so cool. Oh my gosh, of course you guys are. You know, everyone that's here now actually is in that actually wants to support. Well, let's see. Let's see, Solly. I appreciate that, but let's see. Let's see if it does. Night, I will send everything as soon, like I said, that was a little bit of a teaser. It's not officially up and running. I accidentally clicked on that scene earlier and LP saw it and LP exposed me. But anyways, but when it does, I'll be able to drop it in the chat. Like this. For you guys to hop on. Nice, you think it's about to drop heavy. But don't worry, it'll be, like I said, you guys are my day ones. Oh, speaking of, so, like I said, I did make a promise. I'll upload the short tomorrow. I made it today. I did promise that when I reached 3K, which we have now done, but when we reach 3K, you guys can start throwing your trading tattoo ideas at me. I will then pick four. Okay, how do we do this? I will go through and the best options. Let's say I pick 4 of the best ideas for the tattoo. Then we'll do a poll. Then you guys can vote on which tattoo I get. So it's entirely your choice, obviously to a fault. Like I said, I'll pick 4. I'll ask you guys' opinions on it though, but then we'll do a poll out of the 4 tattoos. And you guys can then, obviously the winner, I'll get that tattoo, and then we'll do a poll on where the tattoo goes. And then when I reach 5K, then I got the tattoo, I know where it's going, and I just have to book the appointment. But yes, I'll pop that short out tomorrow, so you guys must just have a look out for it, because then you guys can go there and type your ideas for the trading tattoo, because I think it could be quite fun. Geordie, again, that's kind of, let's see, but yeah, we can do color. My whole back is color. I mean, I have color on my arm, so, you know. Oh, wait, you guys might be able to actually see my back. I forgot, you guys might actually be able to see my back. Wait. Kind of. There we go. You can kind of see my back there. Well, half of it. The other half is obviously on the other side. But yeah, so I mean, I have color tattoos, I have black and white tattoos. I got everything. So I'm up for anything. Obviously, let's not be crazy. Let's not make it like this massive thing that's gonna cost an arm and a leg. Get it? Anyways. Aw, thank you, Thomas, and also thank you, Raphael. But Thomas, that means a lot. I appreciate it. And it's going up, and away. Okay. Boom banana tattoo when, oh gosh, okay. Banana with a bomb going, boom. Bob, what set am I claiming? Hey, Demotek. Yeah, I'll show you. Sorry, I'll show you my back tattoo. Hey, it's finally taken some liquidity. Okay, so it looks like it's headed towards a loss on the 15-minute with my strategy, just by the way. A hand holding a burning candle with the wax all over the hand. Interesting, Franks. That's deep. It's okay, apple butter. It's okay. Do you want to... No. I was just showing them my tattoo, my back tattoo. Kush Kings, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Okay, but okay. Yeah, I mean, the amount of that was a valid. Yeah, that was valid. That was valid for thinking it was that, but no, it was just showing my back tattoo with my clouds and it's raining. That was purely for my horse because his name was Rain Dance. So I thought it was cute. See, that's quite cool. I like that. Do I like trading gold? Young for beats? I do not trade gold, but I know a lot of people are really enjoying it right now. Okay. Oh, Bob, it was. It was. I think that was one of my most painful tattoos. It was not fun. But the tattoo, anyways, can get into a whole conversation about that. Deontay, which is ridiculous. I've been sitting here for how long? And now that I'm about to go, it's going, okay, guess what? We're going to start moving. Solid bet. I want to see you get that tattoo. 100%. I want to see you get that tattoo. That would be amazing. Okay, but okay, I'm getting distracted. I'm gonna leave you guys at that. That was freaking, yeah. You guys are amazing. Sorry, like I said, that was a bit of a meh with regards to the trading today. I missed like 2 trades, but it was choppy and it's not worth risking it in the chop. So am I upset? Not really, not really. It's not worth risking. VTO, hi, how's it going? The one near your armpit hurt like, oh, Jordy, I can't imagine. What else hurt quite a bit that I wasn't expecting? No, to be fair, I think my back was the worst. I really think my back was the worst. Yes, 100%, Tony, 100%. And it's going up, up, and away. Okay. Guys, I'm going to leave it at that for today. You guys were awesome. I had so much fun. I'll be back for the London session tomorrow morning. And then again for the New York. So if you guys are up or awake or bored, you can hop on. Let's have some fun. But that was awesome. Like I said, in the green for the day, not by much, but green is green. I'm not going to complain. You guys are amazing. I always have so much fun with you guys and I always learn so much. So I cannot stress enough just how much I appreciate you guys. Yes, sorry. I wanted to just have a massive shout out to you guys. This would be absolutely nothing without you. So mad love and respect for all of you that are here. And I will see you then tomorrow. Yeah? See you tomorrow, either London or New York or both, depending. But I love you guys madly. Watch out for that short tomorrow with the tattoo. I think it's gonna be, it'll be fun. It'll be fun. So yeah, throw your ideas out there. Like I said, I want to be prepared for that 5K so that we are good and ready to go. But I love you guys endlessly and I'll see you tomorrow. Love you, bye. And